We will not stop until the last drug lord, the last financier, and the last pusher have surrendered or put behind bars. Or below the ground, if they so wish. Do not do drugs. Human rights must work to uplift human dignity. But human rights cannot be used as a shield or an excuse to destroy the country. We strongly affirm and respect the outcome of the case before the Permanent Court of Arbitration as an important contribution to the ongoing efforts to pursue a peaceful resolution and management of our disputes. I am now announcing a unilateral ceasefire with the CPP, NPA, NDF. We will lower personal and corporate income tax rates. The implementation of the Responsible Parenthood and Reproductive Health Law must be put into full force and effect. The revival of the operation of the Pasig River Ferry service system is a viable option for the LRT. The operating hours shall be extended from 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. So marami pa mga batang uwi na. Different approaches are also being considered to decongest NAIA, including the possible transfer of general aviation. I'm offering Sangley Point. Kasi kailangan ko isang runway. I can make a new runway there. I assure you. This will be a clean job. Processing time in issuing permits and licenses shall be reduced to the barest minimum. In my city, it is always 3 days for local government. This government does not condone violence and repression of media. I have also ordered the newly created DICT, Information and Technology, to develop a national broadband plan to accelerate the deployment of fiber optics cables and wireless technologies to improve internet speed. Wi-Fi access shall be provided at no charge in selected public places, including parks, plazas, public libraries, schools, government hospitals, train stations, airports, and seaports. But we have to help each other, for then and only then can we truly prevail. Ako po'y nagdodoble ang pagod para sa inyo, para sa kapakanan ng bayan. Seryoso po ako. Kayong mga ganon, tikit-tikit at magkaroon ng gulo, wag ho ninyong gawain yan. Ito na yung warning ko. Yun na yung last Wala nang iba. Hindi ko na gagawin. Huwag ninyong sirain yung mga bagay-bagay na ginagawa namin para sa kapakanan ng tao. Mabuti ang magkaintindihan tayo ngayon. Maya yung bantay kayo, kaibigan ko Talag. Kaya wag ninyong gawin. Simple lang yan eh. Para walang away sa gobyerno, yung mga bagay na illegal at masama at hindi tama, wag mong gawin. At hindi kami mag-aaway dito. Pati yung pare na, pati si Pau, tinamaan. Okay, let us be clear with each other. I am for the comfort and the welfare of the Filipino. Kayo namang hindi pa bungog dyan, hindi pa pumasok yung mga droga. Kung ayaw ninyong mamatay, ayaw ninyong masaktan, huwag kayong umasa dyan sa mga pare pati human rights, hindi nakakapigil yan ng kamatayan. So huwag ninyong gawin, tapos nandiyan ka, nakabulagtad, and you are portrayed in a broadsheet na parang Mother Mary cradling the dead cadaver of Jesus Christ. Ayan yung mga yan eh. Magdadramahan tayo dito. Dito ang nakatingin kasi dito yung public eh. Alam mo, ilang beses ko na sinasabi, sa Davao, wag mong gawin. Kasi magkakaproblema tayo. He who is the cause of the cause is the cause of them all. Ikaw yung nag-umpisa, you swallow. Ulitin ko, he who is the cause of the cause is the cause of them all. Kami nagtatrabaho lang. We have a nation to guard. We have billions of people to see that they are healthy. It's a question of drug, it's a question of public interest, public order. Kita mo, lesser crime. Wala na kasing magnanakaw. Wala na nag-hold up. Kasi para yan. Okay, tatapos sa bila, maliliit lang yan. Gamitin mo utak mo. If you're able to contaminate, kagaya ng negosyo ng mga Chinese, wholesale yan sila. Maski kunti-kunti, kung the whole of Tondo contaminated, pera yan. I'm not saying it's Chinese. The practice of itong wholesale retail. They go for wholesale. Maski na kumita lang ng isang piso dyan sa isang kaso, okay na yan. Kasi paramihan eh. Yan ang ibig kong sabihin. Now, I hope the military and the police will not react on this. It's part of the deep intelligence that we have gathered. I'm forced to come in public kasi pati yung mga pare nagaan. Alam mo, kayong mga media, naghanap kayo ng where's the big fish? Saan yung bilyonaryo na mayaman? Yung may kotse, may mga Mercedes, may... Ma'am, nandoon yan sila sa labas. Wala dito. Magdala ka ng isang batalyon na pulis para hulihin natin doon. Kung kaya natin. Didirect the traffic of drugs sa kanila. Meron silang ganito. Malaki. Real time, nakikinig sila ngayon dito. I am very 101% nakikinig sila. Andun, doon lang, isusuri nila sa Tondo. Oh, itapon mo dyan. Tapos umalis ka, kunin mo doon sa tindahan yung bag o package. Masabi mo nakikita ng media na kayo lang nagbabrand niya na drug lord eh. Those are not the drug lords. You, mga lieutenant, delivery boy yan. Kung baga LBC lang yan, pati DHL, federal. Pati yung tawag nilang basura, yun yung street, ano. Huwag kayong maghanap. Gusto niyo, sabihin ko sa inyo, puntahan natin. I'll give you the names. I'll show you the intelligence. Dito. Pero give me the guarantee na may magawain ka. Says, I'll give you the name, I'll give you the country. Kung wala ka rin gagawa, mag-shut up ka. Kaya hindi lang kami na, do not get too personal about our work here.